Hello students, welcome to EPG Pathshala. I am Dr. Manju Pawar from BPS Women University, Sonipat, Haryana. Today we are going to talk on the module Community Engagement in the Implementation of Swachh Bharat Mission, a case study of Bilaspur Gram Panchayat, Haryana State, from the paper Human Resource Development through Community Engagement. After completing this model, the students will be able to understand the concept of Swachh Bharat Mission and its objective. Number 2, strategies to be adopted by Gram Panchayat for open free defecation and before and after intervention by the Gram Panchayat in the Swachh Bharat Mission. Government of India introduced the Central Rural Sanitation Program in 1986 mainly with the objective of improving the quality of life of the rural people and also to provide privacy and dignity to women. From 1999, a demand-driven approach under the Total Sanitation Campaign, that is TSC, emphasized more on information, education and communication. Human resource development, capacity development activities to increase awareness among the rural people and generation of demand for sanitary facilities. To generate awareness on sanitation, the Nirmal Gram Puraskar, that is NGP, were awarded to recognize the achievements and efforts made at the Gram Panchayat level in ensuring full sanitation coverage and achieving other indicators of open defecation free Gram Panchayats. This is an award gained popularity and desire was generated among the Gram Panchayats to get this award by attaining Nirmal status. Now students, we will discuss about the objectives of the Swachh Bharat Mission. Accelerate sanitation coverage in rural areas to achieve the vision of Swachh Bharat Mission by 2nd October 2019. Third objective is to motivate communities and Panchayati Raj institutions to adopt sustainable sanitation practices and facilities through awareness creation and health education. Another objective is to encourage cost-effective and appropriate technologies for ecological safe and sustainable sanitation. Next, to develop whenever required community managed sanitation systems focusing on scientific solid liquid waste management systems for overall cleanliness in the rural areas. Now students, we should know what are the priority areas of the Swachh Bharat Mission. Under the program, priority shall be given to cover households having 1. Old age pensionaries, widow. Number 2. Disability pensionaries that come under National Social Assistance Program beneficiaries. Number 3. Pregnant and lactating mothers covered by maternal health programs of central and state governments including Janani Suraksha Yojana under National Rural Health Mission, and last, girl child covered by any scheme benefiting the girl child. Now the Panchayati Raj institutions have a very important role to play in the Swachh Bharat Mission. As per the Constitution, 73rd Amendment Act 1992, sanitation is included in the 11th schedule. Accordingly, the Gram Panchayats have a very important role in the implementation of Swachh Bharat Mission. The program may be implemented by the Panchayati Raj institutions at all levels. The Gram Panchayats will participate in the social mobilization for triggering demand, constructions of toilets and also maintenance of the clean environment by way of safe disposal of waste. Second, Panchayats have a very important role to play in making every village a model village where People should actively participate in the process of development. Participation of people in the development activities at the local level is the key. The need of the hour is that the representatives of the local governments should understand the concept of development and motivate people participation in order to achieve the goals of the development. If many local governments gear up their work towards ensuring good education to children belonging to their religion, giving good maternity care, ensuring quality health support will surely address overall development. It has been observed in the field that there are families who can afford to construct the toilets, but they have the habit of going to open defecation. Money is not the problem for them, but they are concerned with constructing toilets. Field realities explain that in families where toilets have been constructed but they do not want to use it. They were toilets constructed but they were used as stores for keeping useless things. This problem found among old age people who were found saying that they enjoy going out for open defecation. After conducting focus group discussion with the teachers in the school and Anganwadi centers, it was found that children, particularly girls, did not attend the school because of the lack of toilet facility in the school. They have to leave the school in the middle to come to their houses for toilet, and later their parents engage them in domestic chores, which leads to their lack of interest in the studies. We will now discuss what are the efforts made by Bilaspur Gram Panchayat for making its village a open free defecation. The present study of Bilaspur Gram Panchayat of Panipat district has made efforts in making the village defecation free, clean environment, etc. This Gram Panchayat has acted as motivator and facilitator organization on behalf of the villagers and has contributed in the process of making the village as sensitized village and also enjoy the benefits of clean environment. Now we should know a little bit about the Bilaspur Gram Panchayat. As I told you that Bilaspur Gram Panchayat is the district of Haryana state. The Bilaspur Gram Panchayat was selected as model village because this Gram Panchayat has earned lot of kudos not only at national level but international level too. This village was awarded Nirmal Puraskar from the President of India in 2007 and Mr. William Chamber, Prince of Netherlands, then also visited this village, as this Gram Panchayat is the first one in Haryana where every household has built toilet in their houses. This village is considered as one of the model villages in the country due to the overall development in general and sanitation in particular. This village is the open defecation free, clean village with all its school, Anganwadis and every household having toilet and sanitation facilities. As I told you, Bilaspur Gram Panchayat is located in Samhalka block of Panipat district of Haryana. As per the 2001 census, total population of this Gram Panchayat is 1176. There are total 704 votes including women, which constitute 310 votes of it. Percentage of backward caste and scheduled caste is 22 and 14.8 respectively. Total literacy of the village is 92%, which is a good indicator of developed Gram Panchayat. Most of the inhabitants are dependent on agriculture for their livelihood. So, students, till now we have discussed the area of Panipat district where this village is located. And it is very important that when we are doing a case study of any village, that we should always understand the village in a detailed manner, and we should note the important points like their population, their illiteracy level, and so on. Many community based organizations like Saksha Mahila Samoh, Self Help Group, Farmer Club, Youth Club, Children Club are functioning in this village and always support Gram Panchayat for any development of the village. Now, you might be thinking that why this Sarpanch chose insanitation problem. After interacting with the Sarpanch and other members of the Gram Panchayat, it was found that there were many development issues that the Gram Panchayat were interested to take up to develop their village. But this Gram Panchayat has chosen insanitation problem on priority basis because of the motivational lecture given by Deputy Commissioner of Panipat district and others in the conference of the Sarpanches held in 2006. In this conference, Sarpanches were made aware about the problem of insanitation. Various dimensions of the sanitation given in this conference has changed his entire mindset and understood the concept of sanitation is not only limited to the disposal of human extra, but it also include liquid and waste originated from food and hygiene. So, this is the reason because of which the Sarpanch of this village selected this insanitation problem. It is viewed as a package with 7 components, namely safe disposal of human etc., disposal of liquid waste, collection, storage and use of drinking water, home sanitation and food hygiene, personal hygiene and environmental hygiene. Following 5 points should be followed by Gram Panchayat in order to get this award. No dirt, road repair whenever needed, clear the houses both inside and outside, garbage collection and disposal, clean water ponds and use them for water conservation, and community toilet and maintenance of staff. It was decided by both Gram Panchayat and Gram Sabha that school sanitation should be given highest priority to inculcate safe hygiene habits among the school children. After interacting with the members of the community based organization, it was found that they were not aware about the fact that 90% of the diseases start from the stomach, and the main reason for this that they do not go for nature call on time. It was deplorable to know that about 80% of the diseases prevalent in the rural India are attributed to the lack of safe drinking water and the poor sanitation facilities and practices. It was heartening to see in the village majority of the people were aware that human extra is the cause of many diseases such as typhoid, diarrhea, etc. The money that they spend on medicines can be saved if they focus on inculcating habits of sanitation. In other words, adopt sanitation as a way of life. Now, we will discuss the strategies adopted by the Bilaspur Gram Panchayat. The Sarpanch of this village, after attending the training and interacting officials of the district administration, made up his mind to get Nirmal Puraskar from the President of India. But at the same time, he was also thinking as how to get this award, how to change the mindset of the people who are only interested in getting subsidy from the construction of toilets and not their use. First of all, he discussed about the knowledge he gained from the training with his son and other family members. His son also took interest and thought of getting support of his friends in the village to spread the message of sanitation. After that, Sarpanch of this village shared the idea of sanitation with other people in the village. Sarpanch immediately called a meeting of the Gram Panchayat in which some members of Gram Sabha were also invited. First, he shared his experience on sanitation with them and also about the Nirmal Gram Puraskar and how it can be achieved. As villagers have good faith in Sarpanch, So convincing them was not a difficult task for the Sarpanch. They extended their support to Sarpanch, and Gram Panchayat promised him that our village will get this award after constructing toilets in the houses. Sarpanch was happy to listen from this Gram Panchayat that they will leave no stone unturned to get Nirmal Gram Puruskar from the President of India. So students, from this example we are coming to know that this Sarpanch of this village was very determined to get this award. This Gram Panchayat planned to cover whole village, where every person should be aware about the sanitation and get ready to build toilet in their houses. The task was very challenging, but they decided to start this program in a mission mode. As learned, he first put his efforts to school sanitation by inculcating self-hygiene habits among school children. This responsibility was taken by his son and other youth of the village, and decided to start social mobilization by including teachers and parents of the school going children. As one of the objectives of Swachh Bharat mission is to improve the quality of life of the rural poor and provide privacy and dignity of women, for addressing women in the village on sanitation issue, this Gram Panchayat included the members of various community based organizations like Saksha Mahila Samuh, Self-Help Group and Mahila Mandals, and requested them to hold meeting with the women and made them aware about the importance of sanitation issue. So students, above mentioned planning shows that there is a good coordination and cooperation between the Gram Panchayat and community based organizations working in the village. And we have also seen that if there is a good cooperation and coordination between Gram Sabha and Gram Panchayat, then half of the problems of the village can be tackled on the spot. Another method that the Sarpanch adopted is the use of communication method. As mentioned in the guidelines of Swachh Bharat mission, that interpersonal communication, door-to-door contact and triggering are accepted as most important tools for attaining sanitation goals. In order to strengthen communication machinery at the village level with participatory social mobilization, guidelines for engagement of village level motivators, that is Swachh Doot sanitation messengers, have been issued separately. As part of this strategy, in addition to Swachh Doot, field functionaries like Bharat Nirmal volunteers, ASHA, Anganwadi workers, school teachers, NGOs, self-help group and other organizations etc. may be engaged at the Gram Panchayat level for demand creation and taking up behavior change communication in the Gram Panchayat. There should however be at least one person in each Gram Panchayat who is made responsible for sanitation communication and should preferably work on this on a full-time basis. The motivator can be given a suitable incentives from the funds earmarked for IEC, that is Information Education Communication, as decided by the state government. The incentives can be performance based, that is in terms of motivating numbers of household and school Anganwadis to construct toilets and use them, and should continue for at least 1 year post construction so that sustainability of the usage is ensured. So keeping above in mind, this Gram Panchayat used posters, pamphlets and rallies with the help of school children so that the desire is generated among the villagers to clean their village properly. After field visit was made to this Gram Panchayat, it was found that this village was neat and clean, as there was neither spilling of water nor littering of garbage in the streets, as well as there was no water logging on the outskirts of the village. In addition to this, efforts were also made to assess and measure the impact of sanitation intervention in terms of extending of reduction of diseases with the help of comparative analysis of the pre and post intervention scenario in the village. After interacting with the Sarpanch, members of the Gram Panchayat and members of community-based organization, it was observed that social solidarity, interdependence and positive approach to the community life have also been achieved as a consequence of the campaign. Outcome of the efforts made by Bilaspur Gram Panchayat in making the people aware about the sanitation issue bear fruits. Gram Panchayat realized that their hard work paid off when Bilaspur Gram Panchayat became the first village of Haryana where every household built toilets. Dr. Abdul Kalam Azad awarded Nirmal Gram Puraskar to Bilaspur Gram Panchayat in the year 2007. Another achievement of this Gram Panchayat is the Mr. William Chamber, then Prince of Netherlands, visited this Gram Panchayat in the year 2007. He explained three reasons because of which visit of the Prince of Netherlands was kept in Bilaspur village. First, this was the first village of Haryana where every household was constructed toilet. Second, there is a unity and brotherhood in the village that was known to the district administration. Another outcome of the efforts made by Gram Panchayat is that they have converted pond to children park. There was one pond which was at the entrance of the village and used to look very filthy. When this village was in process of convincing people to construct toilet in the village, then Deputy Commissioner also made a visit and advised Sarpanch to fill this pond and convert it into children park. They did the same by Sharamdan and filled the pond. Now it is well furnished park and beautification was also done by planting many trees. This park is a nice place where not only children but everyone in the village feel relaxed after coming in this park. This Gram Panchayat not only convinced every villager to construct toilet in every household but also constructed toilet cum bathroom complex in the village which is used for the labor class that come from Bihar and other states for getting work in the field. Attitudinal change is another outcome of the efforts made by Gram Panchayat. After constructing toilets in their houses, attitudinal behavior change was noticed among the people. Members of Mahila Mandal were very happy after building toilets in their houses and also determined to marry their daughters in those families who have built toilets in their home only. There were some people, in fact poor people in the village, who were interested to build toilet, but due to the lack of funds they could not construct toilet in their houses. Lack of space was not much an issue for them. In order to solve their problem, this Gram Panchayat requested well-off sections of the village community to donate money for the construction of toilets. Through their help, even poor people also built toilets in their home. After interacting with the members of self-help group, it was found that they started savings which they used to spend on purchasing medicines. So it was a very important component of sanitation and the outcome of the efforts made by Gram Panchayat. This Gram Panchayat not only become model village but also encourage other villages to become model village. According to Bilaspur Gram Panchayat of the nearby village also visited his village to get ideas as how they can also develop their village as model village. After interacting with the Sarpanch of this Gram Panchayat, he told an interesting example when competition of games used to happen in the village. They organized competition games in the village where nearby villages participated in Kabaddi competition. In the game, Bilaspur Gram Panchayat lost and a team of another village won. When they started teasing them that they lost, but Bilaspur Sarpanch and other people told them that they lost in the competition but still on the top because in their Gram Panchayat every household has toilet in their home. This gave challenge to these boys and they also took guidance from them and started social mobilization process in their respective villages in mission mode for making people aware about the sanitation issue. Another outcome of the efforts made by Gram Panchayat is the enrollment of children in the school. The school proved very helpful in conveying the message of sanitation not only within their families but community at large. These villages also reported 100% enrollment of children in the school after construction of the toilets. Sarpanch along with the other members of Gram Panchayat used to inspect the school to see whether each student has clean personal hygiene habits or not. Teachers were also put on duty that before teaching they have to check nails and teeth of every student. Apart from this, proper use of toilet and its cleanliness are verified, and washing of hands after toilet use and collection of waste in the school area were also monitored. Slide number 40. Now students, we will see the difference between before intervention and after intervention. Before intervention, there was open defecation in the Bilaspur Gram Panchayat, but after the intervention made by this Gram Panchayat, the village was defecation free. Number 2, as there was no cleanliness in the village, no dignitary visited this village, but after the Gram Panchayat made efforts, the dignitaries visited not only from India but other countries also. Number 3, before intervention there were more expenses on the diseases, but after the intervention there was less expenses on the diseases. Number 4, before intervention there was no common toilet complex which was constructed in the village, but after the intervention of the Bilaspur Gram Panchayat, a toilet complex was constructed. Before the intervention, there was the presence of quacks in the Bilaspur Gram Panchayat, but after the intervention of the Bilaspur Gram Panchayat, the disappearance of quacks happened. Before intervention, there was less enrollment of school. It means that the children, they do not go to the school, but after the intervention made by this Gram Panchayat, there was 100% enrollment of the children in the school. There was almost absence of personal hygiene before the intervention, but after intervention it was ensured that 100% hygiene should be there. Before the intervention there was inactive social capital, but after the intervention there was active social capital, because this award was given to this Gram Panchayat after the Sarpanch and other community based organizations worked together. Before the intervention, the overall quality of the life was very low, but after the intervention, the quality of life of the people of the Bilaspur Gram Panchayat was improved. Now students, we will conclude this model. As Bilaspur Gram Panchayat could become model village because of the active role played by its Panchayat with the support of district administration, particularly District Rural Development Agency, it is called DRDA, and community based organization CBO. It was the commitment among the people and the bureaucracy which has been instrumental in making total sanitation a success story of this village. The campaign could succeed basically because of the visionary leadership of the Sarpanch and support by the district authorities. The role of motivators who could create sustainable demand and action for sanitation through properly social marketing and attitudinal behavior transformation of the villagers was also praiseworthy. After visiting this village, it was clear that role of the government is limited in the sense that it can only play the role of facilitator for providing financial and policy support to the communities. Ultimately, the responsibility lies on the people in the villages, how much interest they take in the program and its implementation. It is hoped that this kind of model can be replicated anywhere else. Thank you.